In previous video, we have seen two methods for set representation, and in that video I have already discussed about the roster or tabular form, and in this video we are going to discuss about the set builder form, which is a second form of a set representation. In set builder form, all the elements of a set possess a single common property which is not possessed by any element outside the set. For example, in the set A, E, I, O, U, all the elements possess a common property, namely each of them is a vowel in English alphabet and no other letter possesses this property. So this set is in the form of roster or tabular form, and we want to convert this roster or tabular form into the set builder form. How we can do that? Let's see how we can do that. First, we write V is equal to, there is a curly braces, and inside the curly braces we write X clone. X is a vowel in English alphabet. So what we have done here, this is in the form of roster or tabular form. Now we have successfully converted this roster or tabular form set into the set builder form. Now we can observe that we are describing the elements of the set by using a symbol X. Can we write at the place of X another symbol? Yes, sir. Yes, of course we can write at the place of X. What we can write here, we can also write at the place of X, Y or Z, etc. Now this clone, we can read it as such that, and vowel in English alphabet which is underlined by black line, we can say that this is representing the property possessed by the elements of the set. Elements of the set. And how we can read it as V, which I have covered with a circle. Just want to highlight to you, it will be easy for you to understand. So V, we can read it as the set of all X such that X is a vowel of the English alphabet. Now we are going to see few examples so that it would be easy for you to understand what is the set builder form. Example first. And one thing here we can highlight it as these curly braces, opening curly braces and closing curly braces here, showing these braces stands for the set of all. We can read it as these braces, we read it as, or it stands for set of all. Now we have seen the meaning of these sets by break it down into the pieces. Okay, so first example, in this example the question is given in the form of set builder form. X such that X is a natural number and which is lies between, or X lies between 3 and 10. So we can write it as the value of X which is lies between 3 and 10. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have written down the values of X between 3 and 10. After writing, we can observe that this is in the form of a roster or tabular form. Now we know how to convert the set builder form which is already given. Now we have converted that into the roster or tabular form. If the question is given in a roster or tabular form, then how we can convert that into the set builder form? Let's see. Example second. The set of all natural numbers which divides 42. These questions which we have already covered in the discussion of roster or tabular form. Now I'm taking the same question again for the better understanding. So this is given in simple English language. Now we need to write it in the form of set builder form. We can write it directly, but we want to first convert it into the roster or tabular form. Then we will convert it into the set builder form. So first I'm going to convert this set into the roster or tabular form. Let's see how we can do that. So we need to just focus on the numbers which can divide 42. So 1 can divide 42, 2, yes, 2 can divide 42, 3, 4, no, 4 cannot divide 42, 5, no, 5 cannot divide 42, 6, yes, 7, yes, 8, no, 8 cannot divide 42, 9, no, 9 cannot divide 42, 10, 11, 12, 13, yes, 14 can divide 42, 15, no, 15 cannot divide 42, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, yes, 21 can divide 42, and 42 itself can divide 42, yes. So now we have all the elements which can divide 42, and this is in the form of roster or tabular form. Now what we gonna do here, I'm going to convert these into the set builder form. Now we have seen the roster or tabular form for the question. Now we have successfully converted the question into the roster or tabular form, which is the first form of set representation. Now I'm going to convert it into the second form of set representation, and that is set builder form. To convert in set builder form, we just take a capital A inside the curly braces. We write it as x such that x is a natural number which divides 42. Now we have successfully converted the roster or tabular form into the set builder form. Let's see how we can convert it into the second form of set representation, that is set builder form, directly, without converting it into the roster or tabular form. Okay, let's see. Example 3. The set of odd natural numbers. Here we are interested to convert it into the set builder form directly. So we can take capital B is equal to, inside the curly braces, we can write it as, so we have already seen at the place of x, we can write it as y or z, any symbol. So here I'm taking z. Z is an odd natural number. So what we have done here, we have successfully converted the set of odd natural number into the second form of set, that is set builder form, which is b is equal to b. We can read it as the set of all z such that z is an odd natural number. And if we want to convert it into the roster or tabular form, that would be easy. Okay, let's see how we can do that. We can write 1, 3, 5, 7, ... Yes. And here these dots tells us that the list of odd numbers continue indefinitely. So now completed the set builder form. In the next video, we are going to solve few problems related to set builder form.